equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop without causing any damage. First, power off your HP 14 laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential for safety. Now, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Remember, keeping track of your screws is vital to ensure you can reassemble your laptop later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel. If you find it difficult, take your time and ensure you're not forcing anything. With the back panel removed, you should see the hard drive compartment. The hard drive is typically secured with additional screws. Again, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. If you're unsure about the location of the hard drive, refer to your laptop's manual for guidance. Once the screws are out, gently pull the hard drive out of its slot. Be careful not to yank it out forcefully. Instead, wiggle it slightly to loosen it from the connectors. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about tackling this alone. After removing the hard drive, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop and prolong its lifespan. Before you proceed to replace or upgrade your hard drive, consider that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert advice on whether your hard drive needs replacing or if there are other underlying issues. Once you have completed your task, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the hard drive back into its slot, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Then, replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are properly aligned. Finally, screw the back panel back into place, and if you remove the battery, reinsert it. Power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. This process may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can successfully extract the hard drive from your HP 14 laptop. Happy tinkering! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.